Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change PIN code in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, log in using your credentials. After that, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, go to advanced option button. After that, you need to find PIN code option. Click on it and then you will get a prompt here. Click on change PIN code button. Now type in the old PIN which you are currently using. After typing in, you need to type your new PIN code. Now confirm it by typing it once again. So that is how your PIN code will be changed. Now quit your application and try logging in with a new PIN code. So that is how you can change the PIN code in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.